Hi guys, in today's tutorial I will be making the daisy crochet square. For this project I will be making use of double knit yarn, a 4mm hook and some scissors. Using color 1, I will start off by making a magic ring. And then I will make 12 double crochets into the magic ring. Make sure to count how many double crochets you have in your magic ring and ensure that it is 12. After making your 12 double crochets, pull your magic ring tight and then make a slip stitch on the top of the first double crochet. And then cut your yarn off, leaving enough tail to weave in. Then we will be taking color 2, attaching our yarn to our project. Using color 2, we will be making a cluster of treble crochet or triple crochet into the first double crochet stitch. Then we will chain 2 and make a cluster of triple or treble crochet into the next double crochet stitch. And then chain 2. And again we will make a cluster of triple crochet into our next stitch. Chain 2. You will continue with the cluster into the next stitch. continue repeat until we meet in the last stitch. Now that I am on my last stitch and I have chained 2, I will make a slip stitch onto the top of the first treble cluster and make an additional slip stitch into the chain 2 space and cut my yarn off. Now, making use of color 3, I will be making 3 double crochets into the chain 2 space. And then I will chain 3. And into the same chain 2 space, I will make an additional 3 double crochets. And that will be our first corner. And then chain 1 into the next chain 2 space. I will make 3 double crochets. And chain 1, and into the next chain 2 space I will be doing the same. And chain 1. Into the next space I will be making 3 double crochets, and remember, this is now our corner. 3 double crochets into the chain 2 space. And then chain 3. And another 3 double crochets into the same chain 2 space. Chain 1. This is how our round is looking. I will continue making a repetition until the last chain 2 space, and then chain 1 and slip stitch on the first stitch on the top of the double crochet. I will continue making slip stitch until I reach the chain 3 space. For the next round, you will continue making 3 double crochets into the chain 3 space. Chain 3, and then into the same chain 3 space, make 3 more double crochets. Chain 1, and into the chain 1 space, I will make 3 double crochets. Chain 1, and the same into the next chain 1 space. You will continue with chain 1 and 3 double crochets into the next space until you reach the next chain 3 space. And into our corner, we will be making 3 double crochets, chain 3, and 3 more double crochets into the chain 3 space. and we will continue with this pattern repetition until we reach our last chain space. Then we will be making our final chain 1, slip stitch on the top of the first double crochet and fasten off, and cut your yarn off. And now I have successfully completed my daisy crochet square. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. Thank you. Bye.